Cooking enthusiasts know the value of high-quality cookware. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a gourmet meal, the cookware you use can make or break the experience. This GreenPan Valencia Pro 12-inch skillet, a revolutionary addition to the culinary world that promises healthy cooking, outstanding performance, and durability. In this in-depth review, we'll explore every facet of this skillet, revealing why it's a must-have for your kitchen. Why the GreenPan Valencia Pro 12-inch skillet stands out. 1. Cutting-edge ceramic nonstick coating. The GreenPan Valencia Pro features Thermolon Minerals Pro Ceramic Nonstick, infused with diamonds for unmatched durability and performance. Unlike traditional nonstick coatings, this innovative ceramic surface is entirely free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, ensuring toxin-free cooking. The result? Effortless food release, even heating, and hassle-free cleanup without compromising your health. Number 2. Award-winning performance. This skillet is no stranger to accolades, having earned the 2023 Good Housekeeping Sustainable Innovation Award and recognition from America's Test Kitchen. Its reputation for delivering consistent results makes it a trusted choice for home cooks and professionals alike. 3. Unbeatable durability with duo-forged hard anodized bodies. The duo-forged hard anodized aluminum body ensures extraordinary toughness and scratch resistance. Whether you're using metal utensils or cooking on high heat, this pan is built to last, making it a valuable long-term investment. Features that make it a game-changer. Optimized for all stovetops, including induction. The magneto induction base guarantees efficient heat transfer across various stovetops, including induction. Say goodbye to uneven heating in cold spots, and hello to perfectly browned, sautéed, or seared dishes every time. Dishwasher and oven safe. Convenience. Cleaning up after a hearty meal has never been easier. This skillet is dishwasher-safe, and its oven-safe design, up to 600 degrees, allows for seamless transitions from stovetop to oven. Comfortable stainless steel handle. Ergonomically designed with a V-shaped cutout, the polished stainless steel handle remains cool on the stovetop while offering a secure grip, even when transferring the skillet. Is the GreenPan Valencia Pro skillet worth it? Imagine effortlessly preparing your favorite recipes without worrying about toxins, scratches, or uneven heating. The GreenPan Valencia Pro makes this dream a reality. But how does it compare to other skillets? Let's find out. Comparing the GreenPan Valencia Pro to competitors. When stacked against conventional nonstick pans, the Valencia Pro reigns supreme in durability. Hard anodized aluminum resists wear and tear far better than stainless steel. Eco-friendliness. Its ceramic coating is not only toxin-free but also made with sustainability in mind. Versatility. From stovetop to oven, this pan handles it all. The only area where it might fall short is its slightly premium price tag, but considering the benefits, it's worth every penny. What users are saying. Consumers rave about the Valencia Pro for its effortless cleanup. Even sticky sauces slide right off. Durability. I've been using metal utensils and the surface remains flawless. Versatility. Perfect for everything from frying eggs to baking lasagna. However, some users note that the pan's larger size might be a bit unwieldy for smaller kitchens. Healthy cooking. Made easy. Imagine sautéing vegetables or flipping pancakes with zero oil or butter. The Valencia Pro's ceramic nonstick coating not only enhances your meals, but also promotes healthier eating habits. How to maximize your GreenPan Valencia Pro. Preheat gradually. Allow the pan to heat evenly for the best results. Use medium heat. High heat isn't necessary due to its efficient heat distribution. Opt for gentle cleaning. While dishwasher-safe, hand washing can prolong its life even further. Why you should invest in the GreenPan Valencia Pro? If you're serious about healthy cooking and value long-lasting cookware, the GreenPan Valencia Pro 12-inch skillet is an unbeatable choice. It combines cutting-edge technology with eco-conscious materials to deliver an unparalleled cooking experience. Conclusion. From its toxin-free design to its award-winning performance, the GreenPan Valencia Pro sets the standard for modern cookware. Don't just cook. Transform your culinary adventures with this skillet. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.